Welcome back to CarWow 787, the channel where you get the fastest and most detailed breakdowns of the latest car launches and upcoming models. If you love discovering new cars before anyone else, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because today we're diving deep into the all-new Subaru Ascent 2026, a three-row family SUV that just stepped up its game in every way. Subaru has made big moves with this updated model, pushing technology, design, comfort, and capability to a new level. And trust me, if you thought the previous Ascent was impressive, this one takes things much further. The Subaru Ascent 2026 arrives with a completely refreshed exterior that instantly catches your eye. Subaru has leaned into a more muscular and confident design language that gives the new Ascent a stronger presence on the road. The front gets a redesigned grille that's wider and framed by sharper LED headlights with a new signature lighting pattern. The bumper looks cleaner yet more aggressive, with improved air channels for better aerodynamics. Walking around the side, you notice more sculpted body lines that create a sense of motion even when the SUV is standing still. Subaru also introduces new alloy wheel options that go up to 20 inches, giving the Ascent a more premium stance. At the back, the 2026 Ascent uses brand new C-shaped LED taillights, a slightly raised spoiler, and a cleaner tailgate design that gives the entire SUV a more modern, upscale look. Subaru has clearly focused on making the Ascent not just functional, but visually appealing enough to compete with the Telluride, Palisade, Pilot, and Explorer. And yes, this design update definitely helps it stand out. Let's talk interior. But the biggest changes happen inside. Subaru completely reworked the interior to bring a more premium and comfortable feel. The dashboard is redesigned with soft-touch surfaces, improved stitching, and a cleaner layout. At the center of everything is a massive 12.3-inch infotainment display that runs Subaru's latest version of Starlink with faster processing, smoother animations, and better smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless as expected, but Subaru has pushed things further with improved voice control, customizable home screens, and multiple user profiles. The cabin layout is more family-friendly than ever. The 2026 Ascent offers seating for 7 or 8 depending on configuration, with second-row captain's chairs available. Subaru has improved the cushioning and bolstering of the seats, making them more supportive for long drives. Legroom is improved in all 3 rows thanks to clever adjustments in seat rails and floor design. The third row, which used to feel a bit tight, now accommodates adults more comfortably. That's a huge win for families who need real, usable space. Storage is one of Subaru's strong points, and the Ascent takes this further. Multiple large cup holders, deep door pockets, hidden storage compartments, and a center console big enough for tablets and laptops all make daily use easier. And when it comes to cargo space, the Ascent continues to deliver with rear seats that fold flat to create a large, practical loading area. With all seats down, you have enough room for camping gear, bicycles, luggage, or whatever your next adventure demands. Let's talk about performance. The Subaru Ascent 2026 keeps its DNA intact with a turbocharged 2.4-liter boxer engine, but Subaru has refined it for better fuel efficiency, smoother power delivery, and reduced vibrations. Power output increases slightly, delivering stronger acceleration, especially when merging or overtaking on highways. The engine is paired with Subaru's updated CVT transmission, which has been recalibrated for quicker response and more natural shifting behavior. And of course, standard symmetrical all-wheel drive remains one of the biggest selling points of the Ascent. Subaru's legendary AWD system ensures exceptional traction in rain, snow, gravel, and even mild off-road terrain. The 2026 model also benefits from improved X-mode settings, giving drivers more control when navigating slippery surfaces or steep inclines. Ground clearance remains one of the best in its class, allowing the Ascent to handle light off-roading and outdoor adventures with confidence. Subaru has always taken safety seriously, and the 2026 Ascent proves it again. The newest version of Subaru EyeSight adds better cameras, expanded radar coverage, smoother lane keeping, and improved adaptive cruise control. This means the SUV reacts more naturally in traffic, keeps better distance from other vehicles, and provides smarter emergency braking. Additional safety features include blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, emergency steering assist, and a new driver monitoring system that tracks alerts, fatigue, and focus. Technology upgrades don't stop there. The Ascent 2026 gets a fully digital instrument cluster, a new 360-degree camera system, improved parking sensors, optional head-up display, and a premium sound system tuned for a richer audio experience. USB-C ports are available in all rows, ensuring everyone stays charged on long trips. Subaru also enhances cabin insulation, reducing road noise and making the driving experience more refined. Driving the 2026 Ascent feels smoother and more controlled thanks to updated suspension tuning. Subaru softened impacts from rough roads while improving cornering stability. This balance makes the Ascent comfortable for families but still enjoyable for drivers who appreciate a bit of fun behind the wheel. Steering response feels sharper, and the SUV stays composed through turns while maintaining the strong, planted driving feel Subaru is known for. Fuel efficiency sees a small but welcome improvement, especially in highway driving. Subaru optimized engine mapping, aerodynamics, and transmission behavior to squeeze out better mileage, making the Ascent more efficient for long-distance trips and daily commuting. Subaru also introduces new color options for 2026, including deeper metallic shades and a new satin finish that gives the SUV a premium look. Interior material options are expanded as well, with more choices for upholstery, trims, and finishes so buyers can personalize their Ascent more than before. Overall, the Subaru Ascent 2026 is not just an upgrade, it feels like a full evolution. Subaru listened to feedback and improved everything from interior comfort to technology, performance, and design. It's aimed directly at families who want safety, space, reliability, and all-weather capability without sacrificing style or modern features. With these updates, the Ascent stands stronger than ever in its segment. Thanks for watching CarWow 787. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown of the Subaru Ascent 2026, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any upcoming car reviews, launches, and comparisons. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to bring more exciting automotive content your way. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Ascent and what car you want to see next. See you in the next video.